VIP protection is the provision of executive protection to any individuals who are in need of it. People that ask for VIP protection include elected officials, politicians, dignitaries, business executives, and celebrities who have perceived threats against them. In essence, VIP security encompasses protection as a whole, not just to the individuals themselves, but in many cases their families and assets too. As protective agents, their primary objective is to detect, deter, and delay any form of oncoming risk, threat to their client, aside from having gone through the required formal training in the said field. One must remember that there are various measures and countermeasures that need to be undertaken in ensuring the physical safety and well-being of a VIP. It must be noted that while being able to provide security, the protective agents must first and foremost conduct their research on their respective clients and from there be able to develop strategies on how to best implement their plan of action, which includes but are not limited to surveillance, counter-surveillance, mail screening, background checks on employees and persons that come into the contact with the VIP. Measures and countermeasures are offensive and defensive interventions initiated for the purpose of achieving an objective. These are designed to make it more difficult for someone to harm the client as they go about their business measures, such as establishing a strong forward presence, safe entrance and exit strategies, and coordination with uniformed security and law enforcement, varied travel routing, and advanced recon are but a few examples of things that the protective agents need to take into consideration in order to protect the physical safety of your client. Countermeasures pertain to the defensive reactive interventions taken to avoid real and perceived threats to a client. They are responses to actions, whether perceived or not, and circumstances that could have potential harm to the protective agent's client. Countermeasures can include increased security details, alternate travel routes, alternate hotel accommodations, quick evacuations and extractions, and other initiatives which result from information that a credible threat exists. It must be noted that for the protective agents, the goal is not so much to save someone who is already in danger, but rather to keep that person from getting into a dangerous situation. In layman's terms, VIP protection is for the protective agents to ensure one's physical safety by steering his protectee away from harm more than it is a matter for them of removing their client from circumstances that could cause them any form of injury at best or at worst, their potential demise.